Ready to spend my money?
I'm always ready to spend your money.
What the fuck?
One computer.
All right, so I got a computer. Yeah, I'm just gonna record and then talk over. Okay, so these are the parts we picked. I wanted something that'd be good for not only gaming but video editing as well. As you can probably tell, we didn't end up buying a graphics card. We're just gonna wait and see what happens with the new NVIDIA and AMD cards at the end of the month. This is the case we chose to build in, the Fractal Meshify. We started by putting the power supply in first. And then we moved on to the motherboard, which if you're new to computers is basically the brains of the whole system. This is my dad installing the processor, which kind of just gets plopped down and then put in place by the little lever there on the side. After watching a couple instructional videos, we attached the CPU cooler and put the motherboard inside the computer. The RAM going in as well as the NVMe. So this is just a random graphics card from an old computer of my dad's, but it'll do for now until we find out what happens with some of the new cards releasing later on. So now the fun part, cable management. I honestly didn't know there were so many cables required for computers, but now I do. So these run from the power supply through the back and then connect to their appropriate places on the motherboard. Alright, after a couple hours later, we put the final screws in. And this is the result for now.
Hey. Okay, so what do we got here?
Basically, the computer couldn't find the hard drive we wanted to install Windows on. And we just tried everything, looked online, nothing. So we ended up bringing the hard drive back to Canada Computers, and they're currently taking a look at it. But we have to wait a couple days just because of COVID and everything before they can handle it. So hopefully once we get it back, everything will work fine and I can get on to using the computer. Yeah, that's what you want to see. Hey.